to Camp Invention's I Can Invent Maker Studio, where you will take apart machines, design and make inventions, and turn your ideas into reality. Many inventors from the National Inventors Hall of Fame tell us how they took apart broken machines when they were young, just like you. You will be receiving personalized messages from these inventors throughout the week. You are about to see National Inventors Hall of Fame inductee Jaap Hartson, the inventor of Bluetooth wireless technology, and Camp Invention alumni Elizabeth Hunter and Landry Drude take apart a broken VCR to see what's inside. Remember, you will want to use the pieces and parts from your broken machines to design an invention. Keep an open mind as you brainstorm invention prototype ideas. Have fun inventing.
I think this is some sort of charging thing since it's with the wire. And maybe like the power right here. That's what you think it is? This the power part?
So let's check it out. That was a really good guess too. I like how you used a little reasoning to figure that out, because yeah, this is where the AC, the alternating current power, goes in from the wall socket. So it's going to receive 120 volts from the wall. And then all of these little things in here, like this blue guy, this yellow guy, the brown one, those are all called capacitors. And what they do is they hold charge. So there's electrons coming in from the wall through the current, and those capacitors basically hold up and store those electrons to power all of this circuitry that's in here. So you were right.
Do these gears do something that makes this run?
Cool. Yeah. So what the tape has on it, it has two reels of tape. So it has two spools, and the tape runs over both of them. So this black gear, these two black gears mount into the tape, and so as they spin, it basically moves the tape along in the machine. And so these gears are kind of like a drivetrain. So they're basically a little train that is moving the tape along inside of the VHS tape.
Can you try to take that apart to see how it works? I know when I was a little kid, I was taking apart television sets, big television sets, also with these small components. And I was playing with the components and see what they were doing and how they could fit together. You like to do that as well? You're doing that now a little bit, so it's like playing around with this stuff and this equipment that we call it. But I guess it's sometimes hard to take it apart with this. It's not all easy to get it down, is it? I guess you want to know how it works, and then you have to take things apart because you can't see it. And if you take it apart, you can see how it works, huh?
No, I want to see it myself, so I don't. So, do you put the wire inside?
So we have to connect one end to the negative terminal and one end to the positive terminal so that current will flow through.
You see that this cover part is being going back and forth.
So then that motor's probably connected
to
this.
Right. And it was still working. I think it would take the band and then put the tape against this reader.
So it's pretty cool. So a motor usually rotates. It usually allows you to create rotational motion. You can see that where the tape sits is sliding back and forth. So that's what we call translational motion, where something is moving in a straight line.
Well, when you're playing, you're trying out a lot of different things. You look at things from a different angle, you are using building blocks and you create new things with it. And actually invention is the same way. And if you combine things in a different way, then you get things out of it which are new and which are different and which do the things you would like to do, which was not possible before that. And that makes what invention is about, and innovation. So it's about the same thing you are doing here.